Hey everybody, welcome to our newest listing here at 201 Ridgewood Drive in Huxley. This beautiful two-story home behind us boasts almost 4,000 square feet of space with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a completely finished basement that walks out to a nice big backyard that backs up to trees. This beautiful home was built in 2008 and has so much to offer both inside and out. Inside you have a beautiful sunroom that overlooks the backyard with nice trees behind it so you get that private setting. The lower level has its own fireplace along with another sunroom area. And now let's go check it out. Thank you so much for stopping by 201 Ridgewood Drive here in Huxley. If you have any questions or would love to see this property, shoot us a quick DM and we'll schedule time to get you in.